For more than a decade, a cornerstone of forensic science has been DNA analysis, using a body's genetic material to identify a person. DNA evidence is key to the investigation into the disappearance of Joy Risker. After she goes missing from her home, detectives find suspicious traces of blood in her bedroom and bathroom. Criminalist Brian Burritt needs to prove the blood found at the suspected crime scene is in fact hers.
And we knew from our side of the investigation that being able to test the blood, being able to compare it to figure out whose blood it is, was our primary role.
Because Joy's missing, Burritt has no reference sample to compare with the blood found in the bathroom.
Identifying that blood as being from her is more difficult if we don't have her body.
But DNA from Joy's family might provide some answers. Burritt takes samples from Joy's husband, Sean Goff, and from their 2 children.
We wanted to know, is this blood from her or is it from the kids, or what are we working with here?
First, a DNA profile is created from the unidentified blood found in Joy's home. Then Burritt uses a profile comparison called a parentage test to determine whether or not the blood found at the scene belongs to the mother of the children.
We compare that DNA profile to the DNA profiles of the children. We did testing on 15 markers. There must be something in common between a parent and a child at every particular marker that we test.
They also must factor in the genetic code from the father's DNA profile.
So our lab is able to take that DNA and say, okay, this portion of the DNA belongs to Sean Goff, this portion of the DNA belongs to the mother, and this portion of the DNA belongs to the child.